What is factory unlocked iPhone? If your iPhone's acting up, running slowly, or facing software issues, you might have heard of the term factory reset. It's a way to erase everything on your device, returning it to its original, new state. This can solve many problems and is essential when selling or giving away your phone. Before diving into how to factory reset your iPhone, let's first understand the basics. When purchased, an iPhone may be locked to a particular carrier, but you can't use it on other networks. Factory unlocked iPhones are not tied to any specific provider and can use any worldwide service. This is perfect for those who regularly travel or often change their carrier. You can purchase a factory unlocked iPhone directly from Apple, authorized retail stores, or trusted online sellers. Certain conditions, such as completing a payment plan, must be met before some carrier-locked phones can be unlocked for customers. Some benefits of an unlocked iPhone is you can switch networks anytime, making it ideal for travelers. You can use local SIM cards when abroad to avoid high roaming charges, and unlocked phones appeal to more buyers, ensuring better resale prices. However, the drawbacks are that these phones are more expensive initially compared to carrier-locked options, and buying directly from Apple or retailers may not offer the same installment plans as carriers. Having an unlocked factory iPhone provides comfort and convenience, especially for frequent travelers or those who are seeking better deals on mobile plans. You have the luxury of using your mobile device in whichever way you want because there are no carrier restrictions. In today's internet world, a factory unlocked iPhone is important to those who require more value, control, flexibility in their smartphones.